So I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Premiere Pro project. Now what we're going to be using in this is file structure. So we're going to be making a new folder called Setting Up a Premiere Pro Project. Inside that folder, we're going to make a Premiere Pro folder to save the files in, to make sure they're all organized, and make sure all of the scratch disks are set to the same as project. Now we've imported a file and we're going to create a new sequence. Now we're going to create this as a digital SLR 1080p 25 frames a second, renaming this to main sequence. Now this gives us something to work off of. Now you see this isn't the same type of file, but we're going to keep it like that anyway just for this video. And here we see the timeline. So what we're going to do is effect controls, and this is how you zoom in and out, and this is how you export. So that's basically how to set up a Premiere Pro project. To export your file, you need to go to the export, make a new folder, and we're going to call that exports. That's where you're going to save every single export into. Now what you're going to do here is we're going to make sure we've renamed the file to whatever we want it to, and make sure we're using a high bitrate or whatever custom export you'd like. Now we're going to make sure the frame rate is set at 25, not 60. Ticking this box will change it, and make sure the output name and everything else is correct. All the target bit rates are correct, and we're going to export the file. This made me have an understanding of Premiere Pro and how it actually works getting into the editing program. I've already been editing on Premiere Pro for 2 years plus, but this really did help me out learning how to structure properly rather than just putting the files everywhere.